Today we're going to use trigonometry to find the dimensions of home plate in baseball. Let's start by drawing home plate. Home plate is a pentagon with a 17-inch wide back edge, two parallel sides that are 8.5 inches long, and two angled sides that meet at the front point. The angles between these sides and the back edge are 45 degrees. To find the remaining dimensions, we can use trigonometry. Let's focus on the right triangle formed by half of home plate. We know the base is 8.5 inches and the angle is 45 degrees. In a 45-45-90 triangle, the two legs are equal, and the hypotenuse is equal to either leg times the square root of 2. Since we know one leg is 8.5 inches, the other leg must also be 8.5 inches, and the hypotenuse would be 8.5 times the square root of 2, or approximately 12 inches. Therefore, the total height of home plate from the back edge to the front point is 17 inches, the same as its width. The parallel sides are 8.5 inches, and the angled sides are approximately 12 inches each. And there you have it. We've used the properties of 45-45-90 triangles to find all the dimensions of home plate.